What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions, and in this video I'm going to be talking about a series of damages in a sense that my McLaren 720S went through. For those that have been following up to date kind of with my channel, I have a really cool video that I'm going to be uploading in just a couple of days about a car rally that I did. It's my first car rally ever from Arizona. I drove it to like Beverly Hills, California, and then from there we had 3 different stops. I think we stopped at Paso Robles and then ended up in San Francisco. Ended up shipping the car back. Huge shout out to Alan. I'm going to be talking about him in just a little bit, but Alan was able to get my car back to Arizona in an enclosed container for $800. It was actually, I thought, a really good deal. I didn't have to put nearly 1,000 miles driving it back and all the other damages that it could possibly go through. One of the things that I want to show you guys very quickly is kind of what it went through. Obviously, I was driving the car very aggressively. You should be able to see a crack right here. Not too sure if you're going to be able to see that, but there's actually no rock chip. And this is something that I'm going to touch on real quickly. There's also, and this is a very common issue, so I've heard, not too sure, I'm trying to get like different lighting to see if you could even see it, but there's a crack that literally goes all through this, and then there's a crack, you guys should be able to see maybe that little corner right there, but a crack that goes all alongside this, and then on the other top glass panel, it's the same exact thing where there's a crack here, all along this, and then a crack here. I actually got really bummed, when I saw that it was cracked. McLaren is something that, obviously I tried to take really good care of. Through this rally, I drove the car like I've never driven it before. Right, Michael?
Oh yeah, on that video.
Yeah, so we'll have that video for you. Definitely was putting in work on this car, and it makes sense, right? I was driving it rough, and obviously damages happen. But one of the things that I wanted to talk about is, well, first of all, how much is it going to cost? You have to replace the front glass, right? And then the 2 top panels as well. Obviously for a McLaren 720S, it'd be a couple $1,000s, no question, right? One of the things that I wanted to talk about is my friend Alan. This is something that I think that people can truly benefit, not just when it comes down to investing in cars, but in any market that you want to be a little bit maybe more proactive in. Because of my connection with Alan, he's actually the one that put the whole rally together. I was able to, again, get that discounted rate to ship the car back, but on top of that, he has so many connections and he's so well known that he was able to reach out to McLaren, and he has an agent that he works with that was actually, I don't have to, pay a penny. It actually is going to be completely covered. One of the things that I wanted to kind of just share is that if it was not for Alan, easily, right? I would have had to spend a couple $1,000s replacing the 2 top glass panels, because I would have been completely unaware that that is a common issue with a 720S. Who knows that? I think one of the beautiful things about networking and surrounding yourself with people that share the same interests, you become aware of maybe more opportunities, and you build connections and relationships. Because of my relationship then with Alan, I was then able to save thousands of dollars and literally not have to pay a cent to replace the front windshield. On top of that, the 2 top panels, I would have easily had to pay a couple $1,000s on top of the overall labor of what it costs to replace that, and would not have been aware that this is a common issue. I know you guys might be like, well, why the heck do we care? For those that maybe do have a McLaren or don't, that's besides the point. When it comes down to maybe having a BMW, right? Maybe even having a Honda, being able to have people in the market, right? Having people in the industry in which you are maybe wanting to learn a little bit more about. There's people that are so well established already that why not just build a simple relationship that can, not only benefit you because of networking opportunities, but on top of that, it could save you money. Just wanted to share kind of how cool. I thought it was a really cool thing that, they were able to comp this entire thing for me at no cost. I just kind of wanted to share that with you guys to become more aware of, the different opportunities out there and how you guys can save some money. So I hope that at least for one person gets to benefit from this video, hopefully builds a relationship with someone, saves a couple $1,000s, and, just being able to have fun and surround yourself with people that share and have these same interests. But yeah, the car still looks good. I want to take you guys around the car real quick. What do you guys think? Too sure if you guys have seen my plate. Ooh, there we go. All right, but altogether, again, just want to share my story on how I was able to get the front windshield and the top panels replaced at no cost. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I hope I earned your thumbs up. If you guys have any questions about investing in cars, I'd love to jump on a call with you guys. I'd love to answer any questions that you guys might have. And again, that's that first link in the description. Hope I earned your thumbs up. Hope you guys have an amazing weekend. My profits today when it came down to trading should be able to pop up right here. If you guys want to join our free group as well, that's going to be that second link in the description. Thank you guys again. Hope you guys can subscribe. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.